Okay. Hello, my people in Disney fan land. So this is my first video for Modern Minimal Mini, my Instagram page. I'm not used to talking on camera, but I'm going to try my best. Today we're starting off with an unboxing video, and we initially saw this particular item at the Disney Springs area in Orlando, Florida. My little girl, who's 9, fell in love with it, and she wanted it so badly but wouldn't buy it because the cost was too high for her, even though we said she could have this one item as her souvenir from the trip. She walked by it because we were in the Trendy store, which is next to the Cooperative. Anyhow, she moped and moped and moped, and I said, okay, maybe it will be at one of the other stores that we're going towards back to the parking lot. Turns out, no dice. So what's the lesson there? If you find it in one of the stores in Disney Springs, just buy it there because it's a 1.5 mile walk to go back. We went to the car with her moping and being sorry and generally what we call depresso. So I said, because she was such a good little girl and I don't like to disappoint, I would order it from Shop Disney, which I did in the car on the way to her grandparents' house. So here it is. It came a couple of days later and pretty good shape. I mean, box is nicely packaged, I can see. And it was free shipping. Can't beat that. So let's go for it, shall we? Hopefully I will not cut myself. Here we go. Okay, I'm not an expert. All right, popping it open. So what we have here, go away, is a Disney Parks Ombre Loungefly backpack. She fell in love with this out of all the merchandise. Loud crackling sounds. That was at all the stores, which were so packed that we couldn't even move in. I mean, my husband had like a panic attack and we had to like leave World of Disney. It was serious. So here we go. Let's take a peek at this little guy. All right, I'm loving the colors. These are my girl's favorite colors, pink and purple. We've got the Loungefly little plaque there. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got a front pocket for all the items that my girl doesn't really carry in real life. Probably like a keychain or something. Got some padded straps, which are pretty nice. Got a really cool pattern here. Some sunglasses, the Magic Kingdom Castle. Got some watches. Got some donuts that are half eaten. A Mickey Apprentice hat. Looking pretty cool, something my girl would love. Let's look on the inside. All right. So much paper in here. Y'all, help me. We don't need this. Okay, this needs to be recycled. Oh, no. Okay. Here we go. All right. It's pretty roomy on the inside. There are no interior pockets. And, you know, it's vegan leather, so, you know, it's humane. You are paying $75 for it, but I'm guessing you're helping Loungefly pay for its branding, collaboration with Disney Parks. So, you know, for what it is, I'm sure it will hold up. Looks like it's pretty nicely stitched. It's got some adjustable straps. And if you're Ursula, it will fit your spectacles, tentacles, wallet, and watch. That's a bad octopus joke. So, aside from that, I think she'll be pretty happy with it. She really doesn't carry anything with her. She doesn't have a wallet or keys or anything like that. So, this will be a pretty little backpack for her to wear around and, you know, wish and dream to go to the parks, probably in the summertime. But aside from that, pretty happy with it. Looks pretty good quality, pretty sturdy. And I think she'll enjoy it when she wakes up in the morning. So that's my first video, you know, just trying to do the whole unboxing thing. I hear it's pretty popular with the kids. So have a good night and catch me on Instagram. modern_minimal_mini. Good night.